If you're wondering how to get a custom keyboard like this, then like this video, and I guarantee if you listen to these steps and like this video, then I guarantee this will work. So smash that like button right now, and yeah. What's up, guys? It's me, Melvin Productions, and today this is my first video. This is a how-to video, how to make a custom keyboard, like how I did in the beginning. You're not going to be able to make your own, but they have some cool keyboards. So yeah. So first up, what you want to do is go to your Google Play Store. Okay, then search up and see keyboard, and then if you just search up fancy, it might show this, so then press on it and it will lead you to here, and then go and download it. I already downloaded it, so after you downloaded it, click open, and then it will lead you up to here, and then they got all these cool keyboards you can download. Let's say I want, hold on, let's find one. Maybe I think it's up here. Let's see, oh yeah, maybe I want basketball. And then you press download. And then it will show this. So what you have to do is just click on the down button on the one you want to get, and then it will lead you to where it's downloading, and then it will show this demonstration. Then it will go like this. You can choose your font. Then you got your custom keyboard right here. Got some emojis. Got this. I don't know what this is, but I guess it's custom, like, type. What? I don't know. Custom, whatever. Like, so you don't have to type like stuff. Then we got copy, select all, paste, and delete. Then we got a button select, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Then you exit out of the app, and then if you go to YouTube or anything, then you press the search, it will show this, and then it will kind of get confusing only if you get used to this, and then you got like, it doesn't like show a shift button and stuff, it just shows like socks and shoes. Yeah, it kind of gets confusing for me, but I'm trying to get used to it, so yeah. So that's how you get a custom keyboard like mine. I had the football one earlier. Here's a pic of it, and then yeah, and then now I have the basketball one. But I'm trying to look for a soccer one. Hopefully I find it, and yeah, and then this is the end. So yeah, just follow these simple steps and like this video or dislike it or anything. And I made up my own quote. It's always too early to give up. And then we got a comment symbol, and then share and subscribe. Share with your friends if they want like to have a custom keyboard. If you show them, and then they're gonna maybe they're gonna be like, oh dude, how do you do that? And then just show them my video, or you could just share with them how to do it, and then yeah. Okay, so see you guys next video. Peace out. Bye.
All the other kids with the kids better run,